back, guys, to another video, and this is the second time trying out this company. I'm so excited about this because you guys know I tried out my first wig from this company the other day. So you guys remember that video, right, where I tried the wig out. The wig came straight, and as soon as I wet it with water, it was extremely curly, extremely beautiful. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it down below. You can go ahead and check it out. I feel like that's one of the best versatile wigs ever. And to be honest, that is the wig I've been wearing like a lot since lately. I wear it to the gym. I wear it when I go on the road. So, second time I'm trying out another wig from GeniusWigs because I felt like that was bomb. So today I actually have a kinky texture wig, but before I jump into the wig, let me show you what I got in the box. So I have wig cap as usual. I don't know which wig package I've ever gotten, or hair package without a wig cap. It's so essential to have your wig caps on deck. Yeah, and I think it's so generous of them to send this in the box, guys. From you know, myself, I've never went out and bought T-pins. These are some T-pins they sent, and this is really good when you're working with a mannequin with your wigs and stuff to help secure it. Now you guys see that I always use my regular sewing needle to secure it in place. I've never really made it bother me or anything. I still don't, but I just found that this is so cool that they sent a pack of this to me. They also sent like an extra little band if you need extra security with your wig. So that's all I got in the box today. All I got in my box. This is a 360 wig and it's 18 inches long. Some information is here on the back. As you can see, GeniusWigs 360 lace front wig, and it's a yaki straight wig. It's 18 inches long and 150% in density, and the code is GWT08. That's all caps. And as you know, it's a natural like 1B color. And you know, funny thing is, I've worked with texture hair like this before, but for some strange reason, I see where you guys were asking me that I should try out this texture. So here I am again with one more of this texture. I'm definitely going to be finessing this and putting this in a high ponytail. Okay, that's the focus of today's video. Definitely adjusted the straps in the back. Some of the ear portion will have to be cut. We're gonna get to the back in a minute after we have sorted the front. Yeah, so since we're focusing on the whole 360 vibe, I feel like I want to focus more on the application of the back today. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion of me applying the wig to the front portion. Okay, all done with installing the front, making it secure. HD lace never fails me. I haven't done any baby hairs or anything, as you can see. And it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. I am loving it. So okay, I want to move on to the back portion. All the people always want to see more of when the back portion is being installed. So all I did, I didn't use any adhesive or anything around the back. I adjusted the straps and kind of stretched it. You know, I've always had to use adhesive in order for the back to stick. So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of bent my mind that I would have to use adhesive today. But let me go ahead and show you guys. So look, this is it, okay? And all I did was use the comb. I adjusted the straps before applying the wig, and it's actually lying down. I don't know, like it's down. Like what? Like look at that. Like it's not lifted or anything. Like I'm pretty excited. I'm just gonna I want that messy kind of look. I don't want it to be too neat, but that's lit. I didn't even do any baby hairs in the front. Genius Wigs keep on doing it for me. So I've come to the conclusion that I'm gonna get this tighter. I'm gonna put this in a tighter bun. And then, well, first, before I do that, let me take out some here in the front to make my little edges. I always remember, don't cut it too short now, because if you cut it too short, you can't get back what you cut off. And if the baby hair look weird, then can't help you. So I'm gonna catch this up a little tighter. So I feel like this wig would be perfect for the people that can't necessarily make it to the hairdresser in time, or you just want to try out something for yourself, DIY, install the wig for yourself. Me personally, I sweat a lot, so I feel like this video should be helpful for people that experience the same thing as me. And it's very easy to sweat in the back of your head, because I don't know, when hair is down around it tends to get hotter quicker. So adhesive for me personally, past a day and a half or 2 days, it start lifting, and that can be annoying. So I feel like a wig like this is pretty cool. Like, pretty cool. All I need to do is stick it and go, stick it and go. Stick it and go. Yeah. And you'll be fine. And I love that. I love that. Like, it's laying down on the back of my head. You're not seeing what's going on really in the back of my head. So I love that. And I love the fact that I could give you guys a video like this, because you know, a lot of times they're like, let me see the back of the wig, let me see the back of the wig, please. What does the back of the wig looks like? So Genius Wig, once again, big up on itself. So yeah, I'm gonna do my little swoops and let it sit for a bit and get myself a bit glammed and come back. So as you can all see, I did a little glam, and you can go check out the mini tutorial on my Instagram. Okay, you can check it out on my Instagram. So this is how the hair is looking. This is my ponytail. As I said, my intention was to make the back messy. Super easy ponytail, like one of the easiest ponytails ever. It's messy, but it looks cute. I like that messy look, and it's very convenient, because I mean, for the average day-to-day female that really would love to wear a wig but want to put it up in a ponytail, this is the ideal thing. Not everybody is going to be able to finesse a wig to that point where it looks like a pro all the time. You know, even if you give it, even if you do it a 1 and 2 time, not all the time, you will have that much time to allow you to finesse it. It is a plus that it's this texture, because this makes everything look even more natural. Now you can definitely wear it like this. You could go ahead and like take a piece and wrap it around to conceal the elastic band and rock it as is, or you could go ahead and do like a bun, like a nice little top bun. I didn't even do any baby hairs here. I just swooped these 2 little sides. I didn't do much sideburn. I didn't do any sideburns. And this is how I'm looking. I've been loving the HD lace. I'm not gonna jump to conclusion and say, oh, it's the best lace just yet. I just started really try it out from the other day, so I can't just jump to that conclusion just yet. But so far so good. Transparent lace is really good. So in my opinion, I'd say to make life way easier and make things look way more realistic, I'd say get a HD or transparent lace to make your hairline look more natural. You guys know that for a very long time I just use regular lace, and I've always finessed that, and it still worked out for me. But I'm just saying, personally, if you want to up it and just be like, I'd recommend HD or transparent lace. GeniusWigs really did it. Like, this looks so natural, like my hair. And as you can see, I just took out a little bit more. I didn't pluck that much more off. It came pre-plucked and it's just really bomb. It's really, really bomb. I love this. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. This is lit. Don't forget to check this glam out on my IG, Petite Essence. Let me know what other looks you want me to put over there. Let me know what other hair looks you want me to put over here. And if you want me to do like a bomb combo, like if it's something different, you know, challenge me. Give me some ideas. I'm ready for it because, I mean, I have the time. We all have the time, don't we? So, yes. I'm going to be sure to put all the information and the specifications on this wig down below in the description box. I'll be also putting the link where you can go ahead and shop it. You can also get $10 off when you use my discount code, which is PETITE-SUE. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks again, GeniusWigs. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself.